Hi everyone, I'm trying to do another unboxing video here. So I received this box. It was an order for more Clinique supplies, which I did just last week. Clinique in Bloomingdale's is currently on gift time, so I tried to time my purchases with that. So before I fully opened the box, after cutting it open, I thought I'd try to do another unboxing video. So one thing I love about Bloomingdale's is they always send a goodie bag of samples. So for this one, because of the size of the order, I got quite a bunch. I think there are like 5 samples here. So the first one is actually Creed. It's Windflowers. I think this is perfume, of course. There you go. It's very small, like really a literal sampler, but freebie is a freebie, and I like that it gives us a chance to sort of sample the fragrance before you purchase. This one is Juliet Has a Gun, Vanilla Vibes. You get 5 milliliters in this sampler. It actually smells good. This is rather nice. It's a mini roller. So Juliet Has a Gun. Actually smells very good. It's fruity and very floral, of course. Again, that's Vanilla Vibes. And they also sent a sampler of Continuum by Tumi. And there you go. It says warm, sophisticated, addictive. This fragrance is pushed to an extreme concentration level, featuring a patented anti-habituation technology that makes it ultra long lasting. It smells very good. And this one is one-time use clarifying spot solution with 10% sulfur and green clay acne medication. It's by Lancer. Fortunately, I won't need that. Then here is something from Lancome, and ooh, it's a sampler of their Genifique. It's Advanced Genifique, which is a youth activating concentrate fountain of youth. Now, who wouldn't want that? So let's go open what I ordered. So like I said, there is gift time with Clinique and Bloomingdale's right now, but we'll save this for last. What did I order? So I used this, which is the Clinique Fresh Pressed Renewing Powder Cleanser with pure vitamin C. I use this every day. So I've been using it for over a year, and I found that it really helps my skin. I use this in tandem with the serum, but I didn't need the serum right now, so I didn't order it. And then I also ordered Take the Day Off wipes, because I always wear full makeup, so I really have a process in cleansing at the end of the day, and I use that. And I ordered the Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes, and lips. And this is very good, especially if you use waterproof makeup like I do for my eyes. And this has been like a part of my routine. So this for the eyes, this for the face, and then I cleanse. Actually, my cleansing wash is in this order. So because I ordered all those goodies, I got this extra gift, which I use at night, the Moisture Search Overnight Mask. And I use this religiously before I sleep. So this is the last thing I put on my face. And I also have the Moisture Search Auto Replenishing Hydrator. This one I would use during the day. So this is also another freebie. So let's go to the goodie bag. What did they send me? So for the gift time, see, this is Bloomingdale's gift time. I got the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion, which everybody uses. I use that, or the gel. I also got the All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap Mild, which you're supposed to use after you cleanse. This is a mini of the All About Eyes, the eye cream moisture balm. It's supposed to reduce circle puffs. And of course, their best-selling Clinique High Impact Mascara. And the last one is a lipstick. I usually show it this way. You'll find this is my own kind of magic, so I will be able to show you without opening. See? So there it is. It's a, what's the shade? It's actually Bear Pop 02. So I don't open because usually I give this away as a gift in whole, as a whole, I mean. So the bag with everything, or sometimes when I'm running low, I forgot the 7-day scrub cream rinse off formula. So you're supposed to use this like maybe every 3 weeks, but use it for 7 days straight. It's an exfoliating scrub, so it will help you clean and take off whatever residue is left on your face from all the makeup that's been there and put off, because you're never totally clean really. So it's sort of a therapeutic cleanse for 7 days. So pretty bag from Bloomingdale's, and all for the stuff that I bought. So it's quite the haul. And thank you, Bloomingdale's, again for the additional samples that you gave. And I'm waiting for another set. I usually do all my supplies when they have gift time, so I try to pay attention to when the stores are doing their gift kits. So this one is from Bloomingdale's. Again, I bought the Vitamin C Fresh Pressed Renewing Powder Cleanser with pure vitamin C, which I use in tandem with the serum. The serum is a little expensive, but personally I feel it really works. And I use the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. If you see the bottle, there's actually oil and water, some watery or water-based fluid. So don't be afraid that it seems to be separating. That's really how it works. You're supposed to mix it before you apply it, and it really does wonders taking makeup off. And of course, the Take the Day Off cleansing tablets for face and eyes, which is like magic. And to maintain my face, Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. I really ran after this. This was the gift if you spent $80. The Moisture Surge was a gift if you spent $55. And you got this gift, if I'm not mistaken, if you spent $35. Or was it $40? I will have to correct. I will put it in the final video how much the gift time was. By the time you see this, the gift time might be over, but it's my endorsement of you shopping when the gift time actually is on. It's really a good way to try the new products or existing products of Clinique that you might not be using. And if you use some products regularly, it's a very good way to build up a stash. So sometimes I'll buy like 2 sets of stuff I usually use, and I get 2 sets of the giveaways, the makeup and the skincare, and that really works very, very well for me. So I haven't, for example, tried this liquid facial soap in mild. I use the Take the Day Off makeup scrub, the one that's in pink. If I like this better, I might switch. I don't really use their soap, but because I already use the cleansing facial washes. But this is their classic. Everybody I know who loves Clinique uses this. I usually take a couple of these smaller ones and put them in the big pump that I have. That way I don't end up buying the pump each and every time. So it is a refillable pump. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. This is for the Bloomingdale's Clinique gift time for August 2022. Again, as we say, please hit like, subscribe, and share. and hit the notifications button for the next unboxing. I do vlogs about New York, crafting, and just being me. This is me, the makeup lover, and this is me taking care of myself. I think it's very important that we take care of ourselves, no matter what age we are. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So this is what I ordered. And this is what I got with a free gift bag and other gifts from Clinique in addition to what I ordered. And these are all the freebies I got because of my purchase from Clinique. It's gift time, so thank you Clinique and thank you Bloomingdales.